Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to write a literature review for students and researchers. A strong literature review is essential for any high-quality academic work. What exactly is a literature review? It's a critical summary and evaluation of previously published research related to your topic. It helps you understand existing studies, identify knowledge gaps, and build a strong foundation for your own research. Why is a literature review important? It helps you deeply understand your research topic, identify research gaps, support your objectives, and demonstrate academic knowledge. It provides scholarly support and direction for your research. Step 1. Understand your topic. Clearly define your research topic, variables, population, and objectives before searching. Ask yourself key questions to ensure your topic is focused, such as the example provided. Step 2. Search for scholarly sources. Use reliable academic databases and scholarly search engines like Google Scholar, PubMed, and Scopus. Focus on peer-reviewed journal articles, recent studies, and systematic reviews. Step 3. Read critically. Do not just collect articles. Evaluate their methods, findings, limitations, and relevance to your topic. Take organized notes while reading to make the writing process easier later. Step 4. Organize the literature. Group your studies into clear themes, categories, or concepts, rather than simple random summaries. Grouping similar ideas creates a stronger and more professional literature review. Step 5. Synthesize, not summarize. Compare findings across different studies and discuss patterns, contradictions, and trends. This demonstrates analysis and critical thinking, which is essential for a strong literature review. Step 6. Identify research gaps. Look for unanswered questions, limitations, and areas requiring further study. Gaps could include limited population groups or outdated findings. Identifying these helps justify the importance of your own research. Step 7. Use proper citations. Always cite sources correctly using the required style, such as APA, MLA, Harvard, or Chicago. Academic integrity and avoiding plagiarism are essential parts of scholarly writing. To avoid common mistakes, remember that a literature review should be analytical, organized, and evidence-based. Avoid summarizing without analysis, using outdated sources, and plagiarism. For final tips, start early, read widely, and use recent peer-reviewed studies. Take organized notes, focus on themes, and revise multiple times. Seek feedback from mentors. Good literature reviews require patience and critical thinking. In conclusion, an effective literature review is the foundation of high-quality research. It demonstrates scholarly understanding, identifies gaps, and strengthens the overall credibility of your study. Practice and critical reading are key. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more research and psychology content, including videos on research writing, statistics, academic publishing, and thesis guidance.